You wake up feeling exhausted. You grab a so-called healthy smoothie from your favorite cafe, thinking you're making a smart choice. But what if I told you that drink might be secretly packing more sugar than a can of soda? Yep, most smoothies are sugar bombs disguised as health food. They spike your blood sugar, crash your energy levels, and leave you hungrier than before. Sound familiar? But here's the good news. When made correctly, smoothies can be your secret weapon for weight loss, lasting energy, and a body that feels amazing. And today, I'm giving you 5 powerful smoothie recipes that will fuel your metabolism, curb cravings, and keep you energized all day long. Oh, and don't worry, these won't taste like blended grass. Because let's be honest, no one wants to drink something that looks and tastes like a swamp. But before we get into the recipes, let's talk about the 3 biggest mistakes people make when making smoothies, and how they could be slowing down your weight loss without you even realizing it. Mistake 1. The hidden sugar trap. The first mistake, too much sugar. A smoothie should help you burn fat, not store it. But most store-bought or homemade blends are loaded with fruit juices, flavored yogurts, and honey, all of which send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. So what's the fix? Balance your smoothie with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. More on that in a second. Mistake 2. No protein equals no satiety. Ever had a smoothie for breakfast, only to be starving by 10 a.m.? That's because protein is missing. Without it, your smoothie won't keep you full, and you'll find yourself snacking more throughout the day. That's why every smoothie I'll show you today contains a high-quality protein source to keep your metabolism humming and hunger at bay. Mistake 3. Not enough greens. And here's where most people go wrong. Not enough greens. If your smoothie is mostly fruit, you're missing out on the fiber and antioxidants that actually help burn fat and support digestion. But don't worry, I've got a trick to sneak greens into your smoothie without tasting them at all. Let's dive into the recipes. All right, now that you know how to build a perfect smoothie, let's get into the 5 best smoothie recipes that will transform your energy, curb cravings, and keep your metabolism running all day long. 1. The fat-burning green machine. 1 cup spinach, fiber and nutrients. 1/2 frozen banana, natural sweetness. 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, satiety. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. This one is perfect for fat burning and digestion, and don't worry, you won't even taste the greens. 2. The Energizer smoothie. 1 cup frozen berries antioxidants. 1/2 avocado healthy fats. 1 tablespoon flax seeds fiber and omega-3s. 1 scoop plant-based protein powder. 1 cup coconut water loaded with antioxidants and electrolytes. This one will keep your energy high without the crash. 3. The Metabolism Booster half cup. Pineapple digestion half cup mango. Immune support 1 tablespoon ginger. Boost metabolism half teaspoon. Turmeric anti-inflammatory. 1 cup coconut milk, a tropical blend that fires up your metabolism and fights inflammation at the same time. The chocolate craving crusher 1 tablespoon. Cacao powder curbs cravings. 1/2 avocado. Healthy fats 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter protein and satiety. 1 scoop chocolate protein powder. 1 cup almond milk. This one kills sweet cravings while keeping you full for hours. 5. The ultimate detox smoothie. 1 cup kale cleanses toxins. Half cucumber hydration, half green apple fiber, indigestion. 1 tablespoon lemon juice detoxifying 1 cup water, perfect for a refreshing reset and gut health boost. Now that you have these 5 powerful smoothie recipes, there's one more thing you need to maximize your health and energy. Because the truth is, smoothies are just one piece of the puzzle. If you really want to wake up feeling refreshed, energized and ready to take on the day, you need to fix your sleep. And that's exactly what I'll show you in this next video. Nighttime yoga for better sleep and relaxation. Click the video on your screen now, and let's take your wellness to the next level.